you guys? So Marie here. I don't know if you have watched my makeup tutorial first or my hair tutorial first, but it's awesome because I filmed two tutorials for you guys today. I have filmed this super cute and easy tutorial on how to get this sleek hair, especially awesome for my naturals out there who don't like to straighten their hair like myself. And so if you guys are interested, please keep watching on how I get this super cute and sleek stallion ponytail. Alright y'all, so jumping right into this tutorial, I'm separating my hair in pieces basically. My hair is so thick since I cut it off and pretty much went natural. So what I'm doing now is just separating it so I can put in some detangler spray and comb it out. Alright y'all, so I like to use the Design Essentials leave-in conditioner spray. It really helps me detangle my hair and make it more manageable. So now that I have my hair combed out, I'm gonna go in with this Eco Styler gel. And this just helps me like lay it down flatter if I go in more smaller sections and really just kind of flatten it throughout with the gel. And later on, as I approach the end, I'm gonna comb out the edge of my ponytail. And I actually wrap grease around it just because my hair gets really, really dry, especially because of the color. And then that way, when the ponytail is wrapped up inside, you know, it won't be really, really dry. So now we're approaching the front. So here I'm just creating a part, what I want it to look like. You know, you can make your part deeper. You could put it on the left, you can put it on the right, you can sleeve it back. It's whatever y'all want to do. So basically I'm just doing the same thing throughout, checking and I'm gonna continue combing it out and slicking it down. So now I'm just kind of taking out parts in the front a little bit where I'm gonna slick down my baby hair. I'm putting some Gots to Be spray on here just to kind of lay it down more. And if you have time, of course, you can put a scarf on that will really lay it down. But I wanted to do some like shooting and stuff after this. So I just kind of laid it down as flat as possible just to keep pushing. I'm always like that. I just like to keep pushing. So you guys, I thought I recorded this part, but I'm just kind of going over where I lay my baby hairs down. I try to create like a little nice little swoop. So you see everything's nice and slick, but I did record the other side. So that's what you see me doing here. And on my baby hairs and stuff, I use the edge control. So it swoops it down even more, the even edge control. All right, and now for the fun part, I am going to put my ponytail on. I have used this ponytail once before. I'm gonna put it on. I sprayed a little bit of the Design Essentials leave-in conditioner on it, just to kind of detangle the back a little bit. If you know about these synthetic ponytails, they can tangle a lot, especially like on the back part of it. So I'm just tightening my string. I'm gonna wrap it around, and then once I wrap it around, I'm just going to get a bobby pin and stick it through the little loop, as you can see, and just stick it in my ponytail. And you know, you can put multiple ones if you want, just to, you know, make it feel really secure. And that's it, y'all.
Bam, Stallion. Okay, this ponytail, I have to get the exact details on it. I threw the original paper away. But I want to say it's like a 24-inch ponytail, 30-inch, something like that. I'll get the deets for y'all. All right. Hope y'all enjoy.